everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about 13-inch and 15-inch MacBook Air M3 and which one you should buy. So let's get started. All over, 13-inch MacBook Air is more portable and lightweight, making it ideal for frequent travelers and those who prioritize mobility. Whereas 15-inch MacBook Air offers a larger screen, which is beneficial for tasks that require more screen real estate like video editing, graphic designing, or multitasking. 13-inch MacBook is easier to fit in smaller bags and backpacks, whereas 15-inch MacBook Air is slightly heavier and less portable but still relatively lightweight compared to other 15-inch laptops. So 13-inch MacBook Air has 13-inch Retina display with True Tone technology suitable for general productivity, web browsing and media consumption. Whereas 15-inch MacBook Air 15.2-inch Retina display with True Tone technology better for detailed work, media consumption and multitasking with multiple windows open. While both models are likely to have excellent battery life due to the efficiency of the M3 chip, the 13-inch model may have a slight edge in battery longevity due to its smaller screen consuming less power. Also, 13-inch MacBook Air typically more affordable, making it a better option for those on a tighter budget, whereas 15-inch MacBook Air is more expensive due to the larger display, but it may be worth the investment if the larger screen significantly enhances your productivity and user experiences. So, 13-inch MacBook Air is best for students, frequent travelers and general use, and it is ideal if you need a balance of performance, portability and price. Whereas 15-inch MacBook Air is suited for professionals who require more screen space for their work and great for creative tasks and media consumptions and multitasking. Now, choose the 13-inch MacBook Air if you prioritize portability and have a tighter budget and don't need the extra screen space for a typical task. Also, choose the 15-inch MacBook Air if you need a larger display for your work, don't mind the slightly larger size and higher cost, and often multitask with multiple windows or engage in creative work that benefits from a larger screen. Both models offer the same high performance thanks to the M3 chip, so your decision should mainly depend on your specific needs regarding size, portability and budget. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.